Hello friends, it's Monday morning and I'm about to head down for breakfast, but the difference is I don't have to make my own breakfast today. It's waiting for me. Breakfast is real Chinese today. Fried rice, some mushroom, pea mushroom with tom yum, and yeah, I did my nails last night, so that's sparkly. This one is supposed to be like a tartan. Sparkly again. It's supposed to be sienna. And then just, I don't know, like a bow. Or not a bow. A pleasant design. Yeah. Same thing on this one. Boom. Reversed. So I did. This one looks nicer. Because I drew it with my right hand. I'm right-handed. What up? Home now. Oh, shiz. Something just fell. Eggs. Worst things to fall ever. Oh my god. This is a sign that your mother is back home from vacation. It used to be literally like a third, if even that much food. Just digging through, seeing, you know, do you ever open your fridge without even being hungry just to know what your options are when you are? So like you open it and like take inventory of your food, like, oh, that patty looks pretty good for later on if I'm hungry, or like, oh snap, I have some hummus and pita I can like eat and for dip. And if I really want to go healthy, like I have, yeah. Every house though, or every Asian house at least, has to have that thing. I don't know if you can see it. That thing is fish sauce. Every single family has it. Let's see what else. There's milk. Yeah. Just random, but goddamn. What else? Oh my lord. Some sausages. Yeah. Good inventory of stuff. I like it. So I found this thing in my fridge. My mom brought it back from Vietnam. It's like dried cuttlefish, I think that's called. And it probably smells like, how do I explain the smell? Like a fish market. Almost, but it is delicious. Some hot sauce, sriracha. It's so good. It's addictive. This is just spicy enough, and if I had this with beer, it would be amazing. But I'm not. So good. And one of my best friends loves this, and she's German. She eats this up. We went to Vietnam during the summer. She bought a pack home. I'm not sure if she finished it yet, but delicious stuff. Even though it stinks.